Okay, so the James Webb Telescope spotted something weird, what looked like city lights way out in space, like 7 trillion miles from Earth. This has everyone wondering if there's anyone else out there. The telescope was checking out Proxima b, which is the closest exoplanet to us, when it saw these bright lights. Now, people have been searching for alien life for ages, and any little clue gets everyone excited. This is a shock because it might just be solid proof of life. The James Webb Telescope found these strange lights, shining like a distant city, on Proxima Centauri b. It's got every scientist buzzing. Could this be what they've been waiting for? If it's real, it means there are smart aliens out there building civilizations. The NASA folks are scratching their heads, wondering how long these lights have been shining, waiting for us to get the tech to see them. David Kipping, this astronomer from Columbia, says Proxima b is tricky because it heats up differently than other planets. Regular rocky planets take in sunlight, but this exoplanet is different. The heat signature is strange. That's why the James Webb Telescope was perfect for the job. JWST can see infrared light super well. Proxima b's weird heat signature will be key to learning about its atmosphere. Scientists want to use the telescope to figure out what's in the air and see if we could even live there. The James Webb Telescope is great at picking up even the faintest light in the dark, so it's the perfect tool to check if these city lights are the real deal. It can sense artificial light, as long as it's in the right frequency. Proxima b has a weird thing going on. Its sunny side might have solar panels soaking up energy. And just like Earth, it has day and night. The temperature changes a lot, and that depends on what it's made of. If it has no atmosphere, the days would be crazy hot, and the nights would be freezing. Astronomers want to figure out what its atmosphere is made of, and JWST can help by checking its heat. Interestingly, the telescope's orbit lines up with Proxima b's, so it can see the whole day and night cycle in about 11 Earth days. If it really does have an atmosphere, the next step is to see what's in it. Oxygen, water, and methane would be good signs of life. But JWST isn't perfect. It's mostly set up to find water, carbon dioxide, and methane. It's not great at finding plain oxygen, which is a big sign of life. But it can still look for other stuff like ozone, which can show if there's life. Also, it can only check out a few of the closest possible homes for life. For a better look at the atmosphere, astronomers are looking forward to the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, which should be up and running in 2028. Until then, the James Webb Space Telescope is super important for learning about exoplanets. Scientists want future telescopes to block out the bright light from stars so we can see the light bouncing off the planets better. It's like using your hand to block the sun. This will help us study their atmospheres and see if life could be there. It's not easy, though. They'll have to tell the difference between gases from living things and gases from things like volcanoes. Basically, astronomers aren't giving up on understanding exoplanets and spotting signs of life. The Webb telescope is a sneak peek at what's to come. Even after searching all over space, we haven't found life yet. The question of whether we're alone has been on our minds forever. Scientists are using the James Webb Telescope to look for alien civilizations. Some people believe aliens are out there, waiting to be found. Back in 1984, 2 astronomers started the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI, project. They're listening for radio signals from space, because radio waves can travel far without getting lost. SETI hasn't found anything in over 30 years, but they're still hopeful. As Jill Tarter said, she wants everyone to help in the search for cosmic company. And now, NASA says the James Webb Space Telescope might have found city lights on a nearby planet. This telescope is our best shot at understanding the universe. It's checking out the early universe, galaxies, planets, and what things are made of. It's already found over 4,000 exoplanets, and NASA thinks this is just the beginning. They want to find more. Past finds, like hints of vegetation on other planets, make us think there might be life out there. The James Webb Space Telescope will keep looking for signs of life-supporting conditions. Planets like Earth, with the right atmosphere, could have life. Finding man-made stuff might be proof of alien civilizations. Scientists are checking out all kinds of places, looking for life. The telescope found the TRAPPIST-1 system, which has 7 rocky planets, and 3 that might be livable. Proxima and Torbee are close by and interesting, even though it's tough for life there. Scientists are still searching, and the James Webb Space Telescope is a key tool in finding life beyond Earth. This search is driven by our curiosity and the hope that we're not alone. The possible city lights on Proxima and Torbee are huge and have made scientists rethink how to find life. Our tech is getting so good that we might find real proof of aliens soon. This means future missions need to be even better. Future telescopes will need to block out the light from stars and pick up faint signals of life. What would the aliens be like? Are they like us, or something totally different? This makes us think about what makes a place livable. We need astronomers, biologists, and chemists to work together to figure out what life could be like in weird places. This could change everything. If we found life, it would change how we see our place in the universe. We need to keep investing in space research. Governments and companies need to fund new telescopes and missions. Also, countries need to work together to find alien life. By sharing what we know, we can find new tech and better understand the universe. Basically, finding possible city lights on Proxima Centauri b is amazing. As we get better tech, we'll get closer to answering the big question, are we alone? For ages, scientists have been trying to find out if we're alone. Any little bit of possible proof gets everyone super excited. But this recent discovery by the James Webb Telescope is a big deal. The telescope saw these lights on Proxima Centauri b, and they look just like a city lit up at night. If this is really an alien city, it's huge. It would mean intelligent life is out there in space building civilizations. Folks at NASA are geeking out, wondering how long those lights have been shining, waiting for us to finally see them. David Kipping, an astronomer at Columbia University, says Proxima b is kind of a weirdo. Normally, rocky planets soak up sunlight and spit out infrared radiation. But this planet's infrared stuff is different from its star, Proxima Centauri. That actually makes it easier for the James Webb Telescope to see. The telescope is perfect for this job because it's good at seeing infrared light. By looking at the heat coming off Proxima b, we can learn secrets about its air. Scientists want to use the telescope to figure out what's in the air on this planet and if it could even be lived on. The James Webb Telescope is awesome at seeing even the dimmest light, so if those city light rumors are true, it'll find them. The telescope can pick up any artificial light in space if it's in the right color range. Proxima b has a strange relationship with its star. The sunny side might have solar panels soaking up all that energy. And like Earth, it has day and night. But the temperature changes a lot. If there's no air, the day side would be roasting, and the night side would be freezing. The amount the temperature changes tells scientists about what's in its air. The telescope can check out the planet's heat and give us clues. Luckily, the telescope's orbit lines up with Proxima b's, so it can see both day and night in about 11 Earth days. If it has air, the next step is to see what's in that air. Things like oxygen, water, and methane would be good signs. Hard to do, though. The telescope is better at spotting water, carbon dioxide, and methane. It's not so great at finding oxygen, which is super important for life. But it can still look for other things, like ozone, which can also mean life. The telescope can only check out the closest planets, though. So, astronomers are also looking at ground telescopes, like the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT. It should be up and running in 2028 and will be able to see even more about faraway planets and whether they could be lived on. Everyone's excited for these new telescopes, but the James Webb Space Telescope is still a big deal. It might find stuff that changes everything we know about planets. Scientists want future telescopes to block out the bright light from stars so they can see the light bouncing off planets better. Like using your hand to block the sun. Then they can really study the air on those planets. The tricky part is telling the difference between gases made by life and those from, say, volcanoes. Scientists are working on ways to tell the difference so they don't get fooled. The telescope is giving us a peek at what's to come in space research. We're learning more about the universe and where we fit in. Even after searching all over space, we haven't found other life yet. For ages, people have wondered if we're alone. And even now, the James Webb Telescope is out there trying to find alien civilizations. Some folks think aliens are just waiting to be found. Back in 1984, two astronomers started a project to search for alien radio signals. Radio waves can travel far without getting messed up. So, the idea is to listen for those signals with a bunch of telescopes. They haven't found anything in over 30 years, but they're still looking. They have tools now. Jill Tarter wants everyone to help look for space buddies. The James Webb Space Telescope is a big deal for understanding the universe. It can see far back in time and is showing us how galaxies and planets were formed and what stuff in space is made of. It's already spotted over 4,000 planets around other stars. Scientists think there are way more out there and they want to keep exploring. Past discoveries, like hints of vegetation found by a spacecraft, make us think there might be life out there. The James Webb Space Telescope should help us find alien places. It can figure out if a planet has things like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and oxygen to support life. If they find stuff like chlorocarbons, man-made chemicals, that could mean aliens built it. The telescope is also checking out weird places with strange stars to see if life could survive there. The James Webb Space Telescope found this system called TRAPPIST-1 with 7 rocky planets, and 3 of them could be livable. Proxima and Tauri, the closest star and planet to us, are interesting but hard to live on. It might be possible for super tough aliens to live there, though. As we keep searching for life, the James Webb Space Telescope will be a key tool. We're driven by curiosity and the hope that we're not alone. The possible city lights on Proxima and Tauri are opening new doors in the search for alien life. It's making scientists think about how they look for life. The telescope is showing that our technology is getting to the point where we might actually find aliens. This is important for future missions. The James Webb Telescope is cool, but we'll need even better telescopes to get real proof. The new telescopes should be able to block out the glare from stars and pick up tiny signals from planets. The discovery of city lights makes us think about what kind of aliens could be out there. Are they like us or something totally different? This makes us question what a livable place even is. We need astronomers, biologists, and chemists to work together and come up with models for life in weird places. If those city lights are real, it would change everything. Knowing we're not alone would have a huge impact on humans and how we see our place in the universe. That's why investing in space research is so important. We need to build new telescopes and go on space missions. Governments and companies need to support this. Countries should also work together. Sharing knowledge and resources can speed things up. Basically, finding possible city lights on Proxima Centauri b is a big deal. As we build better technology, the quest to find alien life will get us closer to answering the question, are we alone?